Alright guys, how's it going? Dan the Two Wheelie here. So quite a while ago, someone at work saw me messing around with one of these, good old Rubik's Cube, and they were like, oh yeah, I bet you can't solve that on your bike. I think we were talking about bikes and stuff, and I was like, yeah, good point, probably can't. And then a few days ago, I was just sat there, was messing around with it again, and I was like, you know what? Why not? Why can't you solve a Rubik's Cube whilst riding a motorbike? So that's exactly what I'm going to do now, or attempt to do anyway. So no idea how this is going to go down, but I don't know, let's find out. And in case people are worried about security and stuff and safety, I've got up, it's a Saturday morning, so the roads are supposed to be pretty quiet. So yeah, let's see how this goes down. God, I hope this works. Things we have to get enough speed. Okay, let's go. Gotta watch out for bumps as well. Okay. Alright, good progress. Make sure no one behind me is coming. Uh-oh, running out of road, running out of gear, running out of speed. Get a bit of a boost. No, we almost did it. It's alright, we can still do it. We're still on a motorbike, still counts. Okay. Almost done. Okay, something's gone wrong. I think one of the pieces has flipped around. Oh, we've got a bump coming up. We're done. I'm in fourth gear, the engine's about to die. We did it. Oh my god. That's gonna be the first ever guy to solve Rubik's Cube whilst riding a motorbike, man. Oh god. Well, if you like this video, subscribe. If you've got any more challenges, whack them in the comments below. And see you guys in the next one.